Ruth Langsford has been reconnecting with nature over the weekend as she adjusts to life following her recent divorce announcement from Eamonn Holmes. On Saturday, she took a walk in the park with her beloved dog, Maggie, sharing her experience on Instagram. Ruth expressed her joy in a post stating, "Walking in the rain with the one I love." This outing came amidst their custody battle for Maggie, which has been a contentious issue since the couple announced their split after 14 years of marriage in May. On Sunday, Ruth shared more moments with Maggie, posting a video of her dog happily frolicking in the park and captioning it, "She's sprightly today." Ruth also noted that both she and Maggie were dressed warmly, showcasing her waterproof coat from the brand at Bones. The divorce announcement surprised fans, and reports indicated a bitter custody dispute over Maggie, whom both Ruth and Eamonn consider like a daughter. A source mentioned that Eamonn is particularly attached to the dog, who has provided him support during his health struggles. Despite their disagreements, both parties have expressed a desire to avoid a legal battle over custody, hoping for a more amicable resolution. Ruth and Eamonn share a 22-year-old son, Jack, and prior to their split, Eamonn humorously remarked that Ruth seemed to favor Maggie over him, highlighting the deep bond they share with their pet.